Ravi is twice as old as his sister Reena. 5 years ago, Ravi was 3 times as old as Reena. What are their current ages? If you read the first statement, Ravi's age is dependent on his sister Reena according to this statement. In such cases, it is always better to consider a variable for age of the person on whom the other person's age is dependent. So let us consider here Reena's current age is equals to x. Hence, Ravi's current age, according to the first statement, would be equals to twice x. Now, if you read the second statement, 5 years ago, Ravi was 3 times as old as Reena. Now, 5 years ago, Reena's age would be x minus 5 and Ravi's age would be twice x minus 5. Now, according to the statement here, Ravi was 3 times as old as Reena. So, 3 times age of Reena would be 3 into x minus 5, which would be equals to Ravi's age 5 years ago. So, equals to twice x minus 5. So, now if I simplify this equation, thrice x minus 15 equals to twice x minus 5. Now, thrice x minus twice x is equals to 15 minus 5. Hence, x is equals to 10. So, Reena's current age is 10 and Ravi's current age would be 2 into 10, which is 20.